Welcome again to another week of tech news. As always, before we start, do us a favor and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss out when we upload. Also, it's free and it's just a click away. Now with that out of the way, let's jump right into it. If you thought Razer didn't listen to the prayers of the consumers, well, thankfully, you're wrong now. Razer had a keynote during the E3 event with other product announcements. The most important one is that they're finally bringing back the Razer Blade 14 to compete with Asus ROG Zephyrus G14. And not only that, they finally went AMD. While you will be getting the HX Series processors, you will be getting the HX Series, which are unlocked for overclocking. Currently, other YouTubers such as Hardware Canucks, Jared Stack, and Dave2D have received pre-production units, and if that interests you, you can check it out in the link in the description below. But Razer didn't stop there. They've also announced their updated Razer Raptor 27 gaming monitor with updates such as 27-inch QHD 165Hz, which is supported by AMD FreeSync premium technology, with it being the world's first claimed THX certification. Pre-order is already available for $799 or 3,290 ringgit, with shipping within 30 days on Razer.com, Razer stores, and leading retailers globally. While we are still with AMD's Ryzen 5000 series, AMD's Ryzen 8000 series information is getting leaked. AMD hints a big little design framework for 8000 series processors, similar to Intel's Alder Lake CPUs, which already is heading towards that same design. From what we know, this will definitely be something to look forward to in terms of performance and efficiency. The AMD Ryzen 8000 series will most likely be using Zen 5 architecture and codenamed Strix Point. Samsung begins mass production of LPDDR5 UFS based multi-chip package memory. Samsung UFS multi-chip package, or UMCP, combines LPDDR5 memory and UFS 3.1 NAND storage, giving the industry a high performance, capacity and efficiency to make a 5G functionality more accessible. It will be deployed across mid to high-end smartphones starting this month. The improvements go as much as close to 50% in DRAM performance and doubling the NAND flash performance from 1.5GB per second to 3GB per second compared to the LPDDR4X. The capacity for LPDDR5 ranges from 6GB to 12GB, with storage options from 128GB to 512GB. Now on Nvidia side of things, they will be ending support for Windows 7, 8 and 8.1, while also removing the support for Kepler's GPUs on 31st of August 2021, and this includes most GeForce GTX 700 and 600 series cards. But on the bright side, Nvidia is probably getting tired of everyone's out of stock memes, and so it has been reported that they will be boosting the GeForce RTX 30 series production capacity by limiting the RTX 2060 supply. So yeah, we understand it's cheaper and faster to make these, so do drop us the RTX 3050s please. Thank you. Now, do you guys remember back during the AMD keynote when Dr. Lisa Su announced that they'll be working with Tesla to bring RDNA 2 in their cars?
So you might be surprised to learn the next place you'll find RDNA 2 graphics. It's actually on the road, in the electric vehicle market, with the new Tesla Model S and Model X.
Well, Elon Musk has shown off in the new Tesla Model S Blade that can run Cyberpunk 2077 and mentions that it has a PS5 level of performance. In comparison, the Ryzen processor and RDNA 2 based GPU in the Tesla offers 10 teraflops of performance, while on the PS5 you can get 10.28 teraflops of performance. That's pretty close if you ask me. Next up, will Windows 10 be the last? That won't be the case, as Microsoft has officially stated that it will end support for Windows 10 in 2025. This is the first time Microsoft has ever described the end of support for Windows 10. Previously, it documented only when specific Windows 10 versions would leave support. This does make sense, as Microsoft did state that they'll be revealing the next generation of Windows in June 24th in the Microsoft Windows event. But being ahead of time, Windows 11 Pro screenshots has been leaked. We can see that the design is much cleaner and simpler, but it also brings up a few questions, like why is the Windows icon start menu is at the center of the taskbar. In any case, the Windows 11 Pro looks similar to the discontinued Windows 10X, which was meant for light power devices. Well, that is all for today. Now, just a side note, if you're wondering what is Thunderbolt technology, why not check out our other video on that? Come back next week where we'll have new tech news to share. Be sure to leave a like for the video and subscribe to our channel, and check out our other socials for weekly deals on PC hardware. We'll leave the links down below. And with that said, We'll see you again next week for more tech news, and until then, take care.